Hello everyone, in this video lecture we are going to learn a very important and a commonly asked interview question. The question is, execute both if and else statements simultaneously. Meaning you have an if else statement, right? We need to write a condition here in such a way that if part is also executed, the else part is also executed. This is quite a confusing thing or quite a tricky question. Because general use case of if else is like you want to execute either the if part or the else part and not both. If you generally had to execute both, then we could have just not written the if and else. So the main purpose of if else is to either execute the true part, which is the if part, or the else part. Now if we have to answer this question, one way we could just say remove the if and else. But that is not the expected answer, right? So let me just show you one of the ways through which you can do this. One way through which you can do this is by using a fork system call. A fork is a system call in Linux and Unix environments which creates a new child process, right? Since a new process is created, now the fork returns two values, one to your existing process, or you can say the parent process, and one return value to the newly created process called as the child process. In the parent process, it returns the ID of the child process, which is a non-zero value, and in the child process it returns a value 0, right? Now here, if I just say if I want to execute this part in the parent process, I could just write this as not equal to 0. Then this part will execute in the parent part and this part will execute in the child part. So if you want to do the reverse, you can reverse the condition out here. And in order to use this fork system call, we need to